Hi, this is my model Gigi. She's got a natural level 3 hair. We're going to do a full blonding premium service with BLONDME 9 Plus and 20 volume. We're actually going to leave it with about an inch and a half of root in it, so it has that really sort of lived in kind of feel to it. So it's a bit more modern and fresh. For the care range, we're going to be using the new intensive nourishing treatment, which complements the whole service, and it's got 3D bond creation technology in it. Here we have Gigi with the finished look, a modern take on a full head lightening service. Back-to-back foils with BLONDME 9 Plus Premium Lightener, an inch and a half or so away from the root. Processed for the development time to get to the right level, then we rinsed. Using the intense nourishing treatment in the rich mask and shampoo, followed by a glazing service.